Okay, bonjour. So today you guys are going to be learning how to say to know in French. I know and you know and he or she knows. And there are two different ways to say to know, okay, and it's savoir or connaître. So I'm going to go over savoir first, and then I'll do connaître, and then we'll be done. Hopefully this will be a quick video. So your conjugations for the verb savoir are je sais, so I know, tu sais, you know, il, elle sait, he or she knows, nous savons, we know, vous savez, y'all know, or il, elle savent. Okay, so they know. So there's a few different instances where you'll use savoir. The first one is when you're saying you know factual information, okay? To know factual information. Okay, so I know everything about him. All right, you would use savoir. Je sais tout sur lui. Or do you know who came yesterday? Vous savez qui est venu hier? You're talking about factual information, okay? The second time you'll use it is when you're saying how to do something. So I know how to do something. Okay, so example would be he knows how to play the piano. You'll say jouer du piano. Or do you know how to cook? Savez-vous faire la cuisine? All about knowing how to do something. Okay, and then related to imparfait, it's regular, which means if you wanted to put savoir into the imparfait, you would just change it to the new form and then you would give it the new endings. And then his past participle is su. So if you want to say using the passé composé, you would say j'ai su, okay? I knew. Like I knew how to cook. Maybe you don't cook anymore, but you knew how to cook. You would say j'ai su. Okay. Now, connaître is your next one. Let's see, I'm going to go down. Connaître also means to know, but there's just different instances you'll use him in. So let's do our conjugation first. Je connais. Tu connais. Il, elle connaît with a interesting I, okay? I avec l'accent circonflexe. The rest of them don't, just il and elle. And then nous connaissons et vous connaissez. Il, elle connaissent. Okay, and when you're going to use connaître is to talk about how, so it's to know or to have knowledge of people. So you're talking about people. It's also to know or to have knowledge of or be familiar with places or things. All right, so an example would be, I'm not familiar with Moroccan cuisine. Okay, je ne connais pas bien la cuisine marocaine. Or Sebastian knows the neighborhood of Rome. So Sébastien connaît ce quartier de Rome. So it's more talking about knowing people and places and things rather than having factual knowledge about something. And then connaître is the same. He's for imparfait. He's regular. So again, change it to the new form and give it the new endings. And his past participle is connu. So if you perhaps in the past you knew a little bit about the neighborhood of Rome, right, you would use it there. And then there's just one more, just related to connaître, is reconnaître. And he's conjugated the same as connaître, and it means to recognize. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do some practice on this, so just make sure that you have these notes and you're ready for class tomorrow. Au revoir, bonne journée.